Good morning. Rise and shine, sunshines. Let's get started. The month is October. Yesterday was October 26th. If yesterday was the 26th, then today is October 27th. Let's fill this in. October 27th, 2020. Put it in word form. October 27th, 2020. I know that today is Tuesday. That means yesterday was Monday. If yesterday was Monday and today is Tuesday, then tomorrow will be Wednesday. Yesterday we had been at school 28 days. I'm going to add one more. And now I know that we have been at school for 29 days. 29 days of school. I'm going to make it in a different way today. 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Trying something different today. Remember, some of these words are new, so let's practice them. Ready? Here we go. Own. There. Mr. Right. Little. First. Let's get our number 75. This is a perfect number for counting by fives. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 105, 110, 115, 120. Move these out the way. Let's get our middle number, 34. What's one less? Use a hundreds board if you need it. 33. What's one more? 35. 10 less. Go to your tens place. Take one away. 24. 10 more. Go to your tens place and add one more and you get 44. Alright, let's get our number. Ooh, 400. 44. I like that. Alright. 100 less. Take this number in the hundreds place and take one away. What does that turn our number into? 344. Take this number, add one more. What does it become? 544. Good work today.